If you're watching this video, maybe you are looking information about the 72-hour challenge. This is a online training that it's going to help you how to start an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch. Now, the price of this course is $9, and the creator is Jonathan Montoya, and he has built this platform in which we have the 72-hour challenge, which is a low ticket product, and Freedom Accelerator, which is the high ticket training. If I click here on the 72-hour challenge, you can see that you're going to get access to the Freedom to Roadmap, which is basically affiliate marketing success stories and some important things you need to know about when you're going to start affiliate marketing, why it's important to build your email list, the story of Jonathan Montoya, and many more things. On the left. Now, it's important that you book a call with a business advisor, because when you book the call, this person is going to help you, walk you through the entire course, and also will give you access to day number 3, which is the 3 secret traffic methods for fast results. Now, as you may know, affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products. And when someone buys through your affiliate link, you get a commission. And here, in day number 2, Jonathan teaches how to build an automated sales system using an unfair tool, which is a software. The name is funnelfreedom.io. So let me show you. The magic of this software is that you can copy and paste your affiliate links in this page. So check this out. I have here my link for the 72-hour challenge, for Freedom Accelerator webinar, for Freedom Accelerator direct checkout, for Funnel Freedom, which is the software that I'm using, Secret of Success, which is a training and online platform from Russell Brunson, which is helping people how to get a success mindset. Legendary Marketer, this is one of the best and well-known products in the affiliate marketing space. Wealth Warriors, this is another high-ticket product. System.io is a software for funnel building. So you can see I have copied and pasted my affiliate links inside of this page, and this software has a done-for-you system. It has a funnel with an opt-in page, a free course that you can give away as a lead magnet to get emails from people that want to start an affiliate business or an online business. And then this software is going to start sending emails because it has automation workflows, which means that these are email sequences or Norton sequences that when you start collecting leads, they are going to receive all these emails. And right now it has six workflows of 60 days of Norton sequences. So check this out. I have here 9 people total enrolled on the welcome sequences. Now, Jonathan is going to help you and explain you how to use this automated sales system, because when you start affiliate marketing, it's so important to collect emails, because when you have your own email list, it's like you have your own audience. And the more emails I collect, the more money I make. And that is why this system is powerful, because you have this done-for-you system that is going to help you start an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch, even if you don't know how to do the tech stuff. So check this out. We have here the advanced setup, the automated sales system, the advanced setup, and how to access day number 3. And once you have access to the day number 3, you are going to learn the 3 secret traffic methods to drive traffic to your system, because it's important once you have your entire system to drive traffic to it. So check this out. If I go here and click on sites, I'm going to show you this funnel, Freedom Ascension, mapping your 9 to 5 exit strategy. So Jonathan created a free course that it has 7 modules or 7 lessons. So I'm going to open this page, and also I'm going to click here on the members area, module number 1, and I'm going to open another page. So this is the opt-in page, and we use this page to collect a name and an email. So when people read this hook, which is a really good hook, how anyone can start the number 1 beginner-friendly, fully automated business from home using an unfair software that clones a 7-figure business in seconds. When people click this button, we can collect a name and an email. And if people want, they can put their phone number. Then they need to click here because people are going to give consent that we can contact them through email or to the phone number. So check this out. Once people put their information on this page, they will get access to this course. And basically the software is going to start sending emails, and inside of the emails, people are going to have access to this 7-part course. So check this out. The best side hustle online to quit your job, the fastest way to quit your 9 to 5 job. And if I click, for example, in part number 2 and I scroll down, we have buttons below the videos. So here people can join the Facebook group, and here they can join the 72-hour challenge. And when people start clicking, for example, with this button, we are promoting the 72-hour challenge, people will be clicking my affiliate link. So check this out. This is my affiliate dashboard, and I have results with this system. If I go to payouts, for example, I have here $154, $128, $109, and as you can see, it's possible to make money with affiliate marketing. And I have sent to this company 155 clicks, 455 clicks, 114 referrals. I have 17 customers, and right now I have $16 in unpaid earnings. And if I scroll down, these are my affiliate links. And this link is the one that I copied and pasted on this tab, Funnel Freedom, and then affiliate link settings. And this is my affiliate link for the 72-hour challenge. So if people click here and buy the 72-hour challenge from the free course, we can get that commission as an affiliate. That is why the system is powerful, because you are promoting many products. Here is to promote the 72-hour challenge as well. Part number 4, supercharge your results using AI. So check this out. Programs mentioned in the video. 72-hour challenge. And here people can become a business affiliate, Udemy affiliate. So here people can become an affiliate for all of these products that we are promoting in this page, in the affiliate link settings. So if I go to part number 5, how to build your high-ticket affiliate system for free. So here we have get your free system.io account. So this is an affiliate link. Create your opt-in page for your lead magnet. Create your follow-up email sequence. So here we have more buttons. Part number 6. So you can see, guys, this system is powerful because we're promoting products. So here we're promoting repurpose.io, here Udemy, here Freedom Accelerator, which is the high-ticket course of Jonathan Montoya. Check out Freedom Accelerator. So check this out. If you see the screen, that The link that appears here is my affiliate link for Freedom Accelerator. So that is important that you need to know, guys. Once you have set up your entire system, you need to start sending traffic to it, because to succeed with affiliate marketing, it takes time. But here you can start an affiliate business using this done for you system, that it has multiple affiliate products to promote through a free course that you are going to give as a lead magnet, and also you are going to promote all of these products when the software starts sending emails to your contacts. Okay, I'm in the email templates, and if I click here, FF, do not delete or do not edit or delete, we have here the emails that the software is sending to my email list. So check this out. We have here a supporting offers, silent video, Nando's, Chick-fil-A, and KFC, unfair, tools to automate the business, my secret quarter traffic method, review legendary marketer. And so inside of the links, inside of the emails, people are going to find valuable information and my affiliate links. So I hope that this information helped you to get to the next level, because it's really interesting that we have an entire ecosystem of products to promote. So check this out, and you can have access to this training by only $9, guys. So if you want to get access to this training, you can click my link in the description. And if you have any questions about this video, you can write in the comments below. Like and subscribe to my channel, and God bless.